Emotional intelligence is a broad description of the ability to understand and control one's own emotions, together with the ability to manage relationships through the recognition and understanding of other people's emotions. What does it mean to you? Your performance, status, seniority, earnings, your relationships with other people, satisfaction, status, self-worth, your career progression inside and outside of your organization. And the more senior you become, the greater the extent to which your emotional intelligence comes into play. Some of your career highs and lows to date will have had their outcomes driven by your emotional intelligence. There is a direct correlation between emotional intelligence and business outcomes or results. Here's just 3 examples. In management and leadership positions, emotional intelligence, when combined with experience, is the best predictor of executive success, approximately 40% more successful. Sales results, where sales reps have been consulted and coached in respect of EI, have seen sales increase some 10 to 20%. Organizations which have worked proactively to develop the emotional intelligence of teams have cut attrition rates in half. EI is twice as important as IQ in determining future career success. And now for the good news. Unlike IQ, it can be developed.